Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 action cameras in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading action camera that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The DJI Osmo Action 4 Standard Combo. This action camera is perfect for travel, sports, and vlogging. Let's explore its standout features. Experience stunning clarity with the 4K camera's large 1.3-inch sensor. Capture every adventure in breathtaking detail, even in low-light conditions, from dawn to dusk. Elevate your footage with 10-bit and D-Log-M color performance. Capture dazzling effects in golden sunrises and vibrant sunsets, impressing your audience with vivid, true-to-life colors. Record up to 150 minutes non-stop, even in extreme cold. This reliable action camera ensures you capture every thrilling moment, regardless of harsh conditions. Switch perspectives quickly with the magnetic quick-release feature. Effortlessly transition between horizontal and vertical shots, unlocking creative freedom for your videos. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Action 4 combines impeccable image quality, durability, and versatility. Perfect for any adventure, it's a fantastic addition to your gear. Number 4. The Insta360X4 Standard Bundle. This action camera offers incredible features for capturing your adventures. Let's explore its standout features. The Insta360X4 delivers stunning 8K 360° video or 5.7K 60 FPS. Active HDR keeps your shots color accurate, even in action-packed scenarios. With the Insta360X4, shoot first and reframe later using the AI-powered Insta360 app. No need to worry about lining up the perfect shot on the spot. Create immersive, obstruction-free 360° videos with the signature third-person Insta360 shot. It's like having your own film crew with you. Flow state stabilization and 360° horizon lock ensure smooth, level shots no matter the intensity of the action. Capture every moment with clarity. In conclusion, the Insta360X4 combines immersive video, ease of use, and ultra-stable footage. Perfect for any adventure, it's a fantastic addition to your gear. Number 3. The AKASO EK7000 4K 30 FPS Action Camera. Perfect for capturing stunning adventures. Let's explore its standout features. Capture professional 4K 30 FPS video and 20MP photos at up to 30 frames per second. Enjoy 4 times the resolution of traditional HD cameras for incredible photo and video quality. Built-in electronic image stabilization ensures steady and smooth videos. Perfect for capturing excellent footage, even during fast-moving activities. Designed to withstand extreme environments, the AKASO EK7000 is waterproof up to 131 feet with its durable case. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor adventures. With the 2.4G wrist remote, capture the world in a new way. Easily control the camera, frame shots, or record video conveniently. In conclusion, the AKASO EK7000 combines 4K quality, smooth stabilization, and durability. Perfect for any adventure, it's a fantastic addition to your gear. Number 2. The DJI Osmo Action 3 Outdoor Combo. This action camera is perfect for travel, sports, and more. Let's explore its standout features. Capture vivid details with 4K HDR video and 10-bit color depth. It delivers over 1 billion colors, perfect for high-contrast scenarios. Whether skiing, skydiving, or biking, Horizon Steady keeps footage ultra-level. Enjoy epic footage of your wildest rides with minimal shake. With up to 160 minutes of battery life and operation in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, the Action 3 is ready for any adventure. Quick-release mounting design lets you securely mount the camera on your gear. Ideal for hands-free 4K footage in activities like hiking and cycling. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Action 3 is durable, versatile, and perfect for capturing your adventures. Number 1. The GoPro Hero 12 Black E-commerce package. This action camera offers incredible features for adventure enthusiasts. Let's explore its standout features. The Hero 12 Black is built to withstand extreme conditions and is fully waterproof up to 33 feet. It's the ultimate adventure companion in any environment. Achieve up to 70 minutes of continuous recording at 5.3K 60 with improved battery efficiency. The powerful 1720 mAh Enduro battery ensures you capture all your adventures. Capture stunning 5.3K video and 27MP photos. With 91% more resolution than 4K, every detail is preserved. Use the GoPro Quick app to grab 24.7MP photos from your videos. HDR captures more detail in bright and shadowy scenes, ensuring true-to-life colors. Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization guarantees silky smooth footage even in the shakiest conditions. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 12 Black combines rugged durability, incredible video quality, and advanced features. Perfect for any adventure, it's a fantastic addition to your gear. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.